The day is finally here. We're going to pick up the engine from the machine shop. I'm so excited. Can't wait to go get it. Stay tuned. All right, we got the engine back. I'm gonna take it out of the back of the truck, bring it on inside. Oh, that's not moving. That's as far as we're going here. I don't think she's going anywhere now. Let's find out. Oh shit. Let's not get crushed. I think there's a better way. Jesus. Oh God. Yes! Victory. Check it out. It's on the ground, it's on the stand, no one got hurt. All right, it's the next day. I got all the parts ready to start assembly, and I needed to do a little cleanup. So I don't know if a lot of people relate, but I don't have much space in my garage right now. It's a mess. So I have a little space. I need to organize, try to get in phases. So this is what I came up with. Okay, here's a quick overview. Parts, the block. So over here I have some tools, all the sockets I'll be using, wrenches. Here's all the cleaned, labeled bolts, clean out threads. I have all the lubricants and all the assembly stuff back here, gaskets. I think this is for the water pump, like adhesive. Towels, gloves. I have measuring tools for measuring the bore. I just got this at Harbor Freight. Hopefully it's accurate enough. Under here I have a micrometer set and the caliper to see, like, I forgot what it is. It has a magnet and the caliper goes down. You can see how high your piston goes. Over here we have piston ring pliers. I have piston rings. This is to shave your piston rings if needed, to work on the gap. I have bearings, main bearings and the rod bearings for the pistons. The machine shop already put in the camshaft bearings, so I don't need to do that. I have my feeler gauge, check tolerances. I have a Harbor Freight Icon 3/8. I think this goes up to 100 foot-pounds. And then I purchased a Quinn half that goes from, well, I think 50 to 250 pounds. And then underneath is the camshaft that I purchased, and it has the lifters inside. So the first step is going to be cleaning this after it got back from cleaning. The book that I'm following says to clean it again with some detergent. So I got my detergent. I'm going to have some hot water, go through, clean it again. I have brushes to clean. We're going to clean it all up. And then the first thing to do after cleanup is going to be to put the camshaft in. So I'll fit the camshaft, then I'll lube it up. It came with assembly lube. I'll use their factory stuff. I also bought some ARP fastener assembly lube. But that's for camshafts, so got to make sure I use the camshaft one. Break-in lube. And yeah, so anyways, follow along. The next video is going to be me starting to put in, first, me washing the block, getting it all dried, prepped, and then putting in the camshaft. I don't know how much farther I'll get on the next video, but that's what I'll be doing. It's back from the machine shop. We're going to do it. I can't wait. So follow along, like, subscribe. If this content is what you're looking for. Yeah, I'm just an everyday guy just doing this. So thanks for following. Victory! Entourage. Truck envy.